I caught a freaking huge mangrove, guys. Inshore. And guys, look what I got here. This is a monster mangrove. I'm telling you guys, that is a monster mangrove. Look at that. That is a huge mangrove, guys. That is a monster. Crazy. You wanna see the difference? This is the big one, and this is the little one. This is maybe 10 inches here. And look what I got here. Such a huge mangrove. I'm gonna make sure that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Richard Ski Pinoy Angler. Kasama natin si paring Joel, guys. Well,
Salimpusa. Napulot.
ang tagal namin hindi nagkita nito, guys. Nagkita rin kami. Try namin, guys, kung makawali tayo.
Napulot lang sa ano. Kalinsangan.
Kaya natin, guys, kung makawali tayo, guys, ha. Gira. Gira, Will. Kakatapon ko lang, Will, oh. Will, pagbagsak pa lang, Will, oh.
Ang bagsakan pa lang.
So, bagsak, oh.
Ang grab na.
Oh, guys, kakatapon lang yan, ha. Tapos hindi ito maliliit, guys. Ito mga 10 inches to.
Yan. Kasarapan nyo na ano.
Mga sarap sabaw nito, guys.
Oh, yun.
Uy, yan ang malaki, boy. Uy,
shit.
luwagan mo.
Malaki na.
Malaki,
Parang
ah?
ano,
Hindi, ano, masyadong matigas.
masyadong matigas.
Oh, man. That was a big one, bro. Nakita. Wow. Hindi mo na-check yung ano, drag. Ayan, guys, oh. Oh. Hindi mo na-check yung drag, eh. What the? Laki yun, boy.
Huli yung ulit natin.
Yan po ang mangyayari. Ang mama o naging bye-bye. Ang mama o guys naging bye-bye. Guys, check mo yan. Hilahin mo ng gano'n. Pag yan. We oh. We. Double we.
Double ano?
Double.
Double dagger.
Double ako we. Wait. Ay, nakabala isa. Wait, double. Double. Double, guys. Guys, parang nag-fishing kami sa fish pan, guys. Shoutout nga pala dyan sa mga tropa natin anglers sa Taytay, Palawan, Estrella del Norte Anglers. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Oh man, di ba sa lasa, no?
Ano ginataan?
Yeah. Si Joel nga pala, guys, isang malupit na tagalut na cook, guys.
Di ba, tsaka ginataan.
We, oh. We, paglaglag pa lang, we.
Rekta na ano.
What the? What is going on here, guys? What is going on here? Are we fishing in a fish pan or what? Guys, kung ganyan maliliit, guys, hindi na namin hinuli yan. Yung iba natin daw, ganito kalaki.
Tapos na ulit, balik.
Ibalik natin? Ah, ibalik? Uy, keep.
Balik na lang.
Ah, ibalik. Okay. Ladyfish. Ladyfish tumitira.
Doon sa...
Dito sa pag medyo malayo, ladyfish. Yan, mangrove yan, guys. Pag ganyan kagat, hindi yan lady.
Yo.
Yes, sir. Look at that. Woo! That a little bit bigger.
Ang tawag nga doon?
Double ka na rin?
Ang lakas, buri. Ito lang.
Ito banda, guys. Sumabit kami. Si Joel, guys, sumabit. Ako, fish on, oh.
Kaya nga, no?
Yeah. Kasi pag nag-double ka, dalawa mawala. Uy! Tinanggal na mangrove, eh. Tinanggal na mangrove. Tinanggal na mangrove kasi. Yan na, guys, oh. Yan, guys, oh. Yan, oh. 2, 4 6 6 na, guys, 6. There we go, guys. Let's try it again. Yun na. Yun na, boy. Babi, pagtapon mo pa lang, pre. Ito medyo magandang size to. Pre, pagtapon mo pa lang, parang fish pan nga. Oh. Okay, so every freaking drop, guys. Every freaking drop. Oh, guys, oh. Oh. Ayan, oh. Every freaking drop, man. Hawakan mo ng ganun, guys, oh. Yun, oh. Ayan, alam mo, fish on, oh. Uy! Uy! Malaki-laki to, ah. We, malaki-laki to. Yung ganyan hata, guys, malaki yan, guys, pag ganyan. Oh, look at that. Mambo jumbo. putol yung ano ko. Putol yung isa. Double pala yun, double.
Ang ganda ng kulay pati.
Guys, yan yung ulan guys. Hindi biro guys ha. Yan yung ulan. Paalisin tayo. Wala nga. Ayun na, lumig din. Kita mo malamig din yung simoy. Anong gagawin natin?
Uwi na.
What the heck? Tago muna tayo?
Tago. Saan ba tayo tatago?
Saan tayo tago nito? Guys, tago muna kami. Andiyan na yung ulan oh. Kanina liwa-liwanag, biglang boom, biglang dilim eh. So hunker down muna kami guys. Sarap pa naman yung kagata kanina ng mangrove. Guys, yan na yung ulan guys oh. Parang Joel pa naman, ang lakas na ng hulihan. Tapos biglang ano eh. Biglang dilim ano. Kanina gano'n yung araw oh, liwanag oh. Oh. Here comes the rain guys, here comes the rain. Sabi ko na nga ba, ulan eh. Hindi kayo nakikinig eh. Umuulan. Oh, nakita yung umuulan ha. Ayan, nakabalot yung mga machine namin sa bangka. Dahil sabi ni Joel, kumakagat na mag-isda. So walang patawad guys. Uulan man dyan, diretso kami.
Naliligo.
Yung isda hindi naman mababasa siguro kahit umuulan, di ba? Okay, here we go guys. Fish on! Here comes the rain guys. Here comes the rain.
Umuulan pero
Parang Joel pa naman.
ayaw.
Ang lakas na ng hulihan. Sabi ko na nga ba, uulan eh.
Umuulan,
Biglang
umuulan pero yung isda walang pakialam
Biglang
mo.
dilim ano? Kanina
Kailan
biglang
wala
yung
kang
araw
video,
guys,
kasi
liwanag no?
Umuulan ng paligid. Fish on!
Okay, back to fishing. Although it's raining right now guys. As you can see, freaking rain out here guys. It's raining. But hey, we'll take it. Ayan guys, alam mo na yan. Pag ganyan guys, ang hila, alam mo na yan. Andito pala sa kabila eh. Ay, ayop. What the? Guys, wala, malaki mangrove yun. Hindi yun red fish na kagat eh. Huli ka ngayon. Sabi ko sa'yo, kala mo makakawala ka pa. Mangrove guys, big one. Big one. Malalaman mo pag mangrove eh, iba yung kagat eh. Nakawala siya kanina guys, so binalikan nyo. Yun oh. Oh. Sabi ko sa inyo mangrove eh. Kinagatan niya ako, tapos nabiti niya. Tapos binalikan niya ulit, sabi ko back. Okay so, boom shakalaka. 12 inches. Papakita ko guys kung gaano nakarami huli namin ha. Umulan kanina kaya hindi tayo makapag-video eh. Ayan o. Yan ang huli natin guys. Hindi tayo makapag-video kanina dahil nga umuulan. Malalaki yung guys. Not bad ha? We'll take it.
Matuyin mo.
Hindi, tiklipin mo na. Holy God. Yan o. That's a good one right there guys. That is a good one. Not a mangrove. Oh! Red fish guys. Red fish. Tara, hati mo na kita. Para tuloy-tuloy ang ligaya. Holy crap baby. Mangrove, please be mangrove. Uy, mangrove nga. Mangrove nga. Ay! Guys, wrong species. Wrong species guys. Wala pa, December pa kayo. Taglamig pa kayo boy. Pero pag pumasok ka, bit-bit ka ni Joel. Pag pumasok to, wala kapos to, mga 12 lang to. Mga 12 lang to guys. Ha? 14? 13. Dapat 15 siya. Alright guys, so that's about it. We're heading home. Well, namalita. Masabi mo?
Fish on.
Fish on.
Yeah.
Pakita mo, pakita mo huli mo. Namumula guys, namumula guys. Ayan daw. Ipang-ulam na kami, Joel, hindi naman sama.
Magkata.
Can't keep up with this thing. I just dropped this. Oh, we got off. And he chased that thing. What's that? Oh, freaking talakito guys. Big talakito guys. Alright. Guys, ready to see it? Here we go. Watch this guys. I think this one could be 16. Look at that. 16 and a half guys. 16 and a half. Man. Look at that. 16 and a half guys. Wow. 15, 16 and a half. That's crazy. Crazy. And look what I got here. Look at that guys. He's the biggest. I got some big ones over there, but this one is the biggest one guys. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Oh, talakito guys. Okay, yeah. Yeah. We got red fish. No, never mind. We got red fish guys. This is not the one that we're looking for. Maybe when you grow up, bro. Maybe when you grow up. Woo, that's pretty. Yung huli natin ngayon guys. You see it? Look at that guy. What the? Hinatid na natin si Joel guys. Kasi umuwi na siya. Bumalik tayo ulit. Yan ang huli natin. Boom! Shakalaka.